Hi, welcome everyone. Are you worried about the negativity around us? Do you worry about things that did not happen according to your plans? Then watch this video. So let me start with few truths and facts. So life is a gift. We have not created ourselves. Neither we have chosen our parents nor our family. We are being given this life to be lived, not by complaining, not to become depressed or frustrated. And some people are born rich, some are poor, some are intelligent, some are handsome, some are beautiful, and some are not, and some are not much. But we all are unique. That is, we are all different in our own ways. Second point is life is not an imagination. It's not an imagination of a poet. Neither it is a fairy tale to be entered in a most beautiful way. And life is not a bubble. It will not vanish. Life is from birth to death for everyone. Some are lucky to have good memories, about childhood and their life, and they grow into adulthood. Some can't have that. But we have to live and finish this life in a healthy and a good manner. So life is how we look at it. Life is how we want to look at it. It is how we handle the people and the situations. Some people are very smart. We call born smart. Some act smart, but they are not. And some learn smartness through trial and error and eventually become smart enough to handle life as it comes. So, tip number 1 is try to do things that make you happy. Starting from very small things to bigger things in life. If you do things that make you happy, ultimately you become happy inside out, and the happiness can't be stolen by anyone. Second tip is ignore, forget, and never pay any attention to the others' comments, because people always show and do and according to their level of understanding. So you are itself very important. Start understanding the importance of you, because the real you is very strong inside and out, and you can stand firm like a rock where no words, no comments, and no negativity can pass through. That means you cannot be ignored by yourself, and you should be given full importance to you as a person, and feel the freedom from within to think, to act, and to do things. Stop about what others say or others will say. Leave them to say and do whatever they want. You have a life. If you become empowered from within and you push your limits, then let sky be the limit. Unleash the active, energetic you who can conquer any situation, even if tears happen to fill our eyes. So friends, find that new you who is limitless, carefree and bold to face anyone and anything in this world very smartly. Then let no negativity come near you. Thank you all. Wish you good luck. Bye. Take care.